Wondering if you can land the perfect catch without spending a ton? Let's dive into 7 fishing rods under $200 that seriously punch above their weight. The Trucen Craze-based fishing rod instantly caught my eye with its sleek look, but it's the performance that truly surprised me. Lightweight and incredibly well-balanced, it feels like a premium rod the moment you pick it up. Crafted with quality carbon fiber, it manages to deliver sensitivity and strength in all the right places, whether you're casting for bass or something bigger. The handle is super comfortable for hours of fishing, and the guides allow your line to flow smoothly. I loved the crisp action on every retrieve, feeling even the lightest nibbles is a breeze. Isn't that the dream for any angler? If anything, the guide rings could be just a bit sturdier for rough use, but that's a minor trade-off. The Ghost Horn fishing rod stands out for its value and compactness, making it a must-consider for casual and traveling anglers alike. This rod collapses down into a surprisingly portable size, perfect for stashing in backpacks or car trunks. During my time with it, I found the rod refreshingly lightweight, without feeling flimsy, and the balance is on point for all-day comfort. With a graphite composite build, it offers decent sensitivity, and the reel seat is sturdy enough to handle most freshwater catches. Could the guides glide a bit more smoothly? Maybe, but for the price, you'll hardly notice. The Abu Garcia Max SX fishing rod combo is a reliable choice that immediately makes fishing feel effortless. Whether you're new or experienced, the combo comes ready to fish with a sturdy rod paired to a trustworthy reel. No fussing with compatibility here. On the water, I enjoyed the silky smooth operation of the reel, and the rod itself is responsive and just the right amount of flexible for accurate casting. The grip stays comfortable in wet or dry conditions, which is a real plus during long hours by the lake. One thing I did notice, while the reel performs admirably, it's not the quietest I've used. Still, does a little noise outweigh all the convenience and solid performance? Picking up the Amundsen Savvy instantly gave me the sense that I was holding something built for serious fishing. This rod impresses with its lightweight feel and responsive tip, crafted from high-modulus carbon fiber for impressive sensitivity. Each cast feels fluid and effortless, and the backbone provides plenty of power to handle tougher catches. The ergonomic grip stays comfortable all day, making longer sessions easier on the hands. I especially enjoyed how easy it was to detect even the faintest bites. Perhaps you know how frustrating it is to miss that subtle pull. The only minor gripe is that it's a bit longer than some travel rods, so it's not quite as portable. The GoTour fly fishing rod is a great introduction to fly fishing for anyone looking to dive into this classic angling style without overshooting their budget. The first thing I noticed is its striking graphite finish, which both looks and feels high-end. Flexibility and control go hand in hand here, making each cast incredibly intuitive, even as a relative newcomer to fly fishing myself. The 4-piece design is a brilliant touch for transport and storage, and assembling it feels seamless. Does it rival rods twice the price in ultimate finesse? Perhaps not, but it gets impressively close. If you're chasing trout in mountain streams or just want to add fly fishing to your skill set, I can't think of a better value or starting point than this GoTour rod. The Penn Battle Fishing Rod combo surprised me with just how close it comes to pro-level performance, all for under $200. From first grip, it felt substantial and perfectly balanced, designed to handle everything from lake bass to inshore saltwater species. The aluminum reel included is as tough as they come, offering a reliably smooth drag system. The rod's construction screams durability while still allowing for precise casts and plenty of fighting power. Is it a little heavier than some others on this list? Sure, but that also means it's ready for serious hard-fighting fish. Wondering if you can tackle big challenges without splurging? The Penn Battle combo makes you feel like you've leveled up, sending your confidence and your catch count soaring. The Cast King Spartacus fishing rod is all about power and versatility, at a price that's hard to beat. When I took this rod on my latest trip, the first thing that stuck out was the surprisingly fast action and ultra-responsive feel. Carbon fiber construction keeps it both light and strong, perfect for a full day on the water. The guides work smoothly with braided or monolines, and the split grip handle offers secure and comfortable control. One thing to note, while the aesthetics are striking, the finish can be prone to scratches if you're rough on your gear. Still, isn't it worth it for all the versatility? The Spartacus punches well above its weight, making it a trusty sidekick from rivers to lakes.